Numbers can have interesting patterns. In the course we have covered most common patterns and how they are made. A sequence is a set of things, usually numbers, that are in order. Please see the display. Example. Write down the first 4 terms of the arithmetic sequence 5 plus 1 over n squared, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3, and so on. Also, find the limit of the sequence when n approaches infinity. Let's do this. Consider the expression 5 plus 1 over n squared. Let's put in the values for n. When n is equal to 1, the first term is equal to 5 plus 1 over 1 squared, which equals 6. When n is equal to 2, the second term is equal to 5 and a quarter, or 5.25. When n is equal to 3, the third term is equal to 5 and 1/9, or 5.11. And when n is 4, the fourth term is 5 and 1/16, or 5.06. And now let's do the second part, finding the limit of the sequence as n approaches infinity. X subscript infinity is equal to 5 plus 1 over infinity squared. This term 1 over infinity squared becomes very small, so we can write limit of n to infinity is 5 plus 1 over n squared is equal to 5. So the limit of the sequence is 5 as n approaches infinity.